This is an update for the Chumins, the 97 Dually. She's getting a new tow mirrors. This is the one with the 12 valve. And they're working on the air intake. Six-inch suspension lift. This is what we're getting. The new modern top mirrors with the reverse light. Smoke turn signals. And also got a turn signal integrated in the mirror. So popping out the old ones. I already did one side, which is the driver's side. Oh, and I also built my grill. How you guys like that? Handmade here in the house. Same thing, integrate this LED bar light into the bumper. So we don't have no lights above the bumper or under or up on the roof. This is how this size looks like. All I gotta do is connect the reverse lights and make it functional. But there she comes. One step at a time. A lot of money at a time. You guys know this. You wanna make it look beauty, it's gonna cost money.